Install VS Code and Android Studio for build applications with the Flutter framework. So let's jump into it. Hi everyone and welcome. With the second part to learn how to install VS Code and Android Studio, then set up Dart language and the Flutter framework on them. So first of all, go to Visual Studio website and we are here. It tools from Microsoft and it's free tools. So click on download for Windows and we are here. So I have done this before, so cancel download, and it is the most used in programmers in the world. You can go to Android Studio and we are here, and Android Studio you can build applications with Kotlin language or what do you want with Dart language or Flutter framework. So we are here in Visual Studio and we must do plugin to Flutter framework and Dart language. Go in this icon and search Flutter. So click on Flutter and install. One million and 800,000. So and go to Dart and install language. I have done before. We have disabled to choose your version. So click on new terminal to plugin. So Flutter Doctor to know if you have version or errors. So we have two errors. Flutter plugin not installed and Dart plugin not installed. And we don't have Android Studio version 3.3. So we must solve the problems and go to lecture C and SRC and Flutter and go click on Flutter console.bat and write Flutter Doctor. So we are waiting for a summary and this all. VS Code is check is true. So we have VS Code in my computer. We must have Flutter plugin. So cancel and go on to Android Studio to solve the problems. Download Android Studio and open. So here version 3.3.2 and click to settings and the plugins. So search about Flutter. Browse repository and write Flutter. Second one and install. Accept all. Yes, yes plugin wait for install. Yes, right. So that's all and register. All things is, and we have Flutter plugin. You can start your projects with a start a new Flutter project and go to console to check the problems. Write Flutter Doctor. All things is okay. So we are ready to run Visual Studio or Android Studio to create first application. So that's all, and I hope you learned about all this. And so in next video I will show you how to create your first sample application by Flutter and Dart. Okay, so our code today from Abelson and Sussman. Programs must be written for a pupil to read and only essentially for machines to execute. That's all, and so long.